Who's that coach?
I hope this do-it-yourself project overview inspires you to turn your ordinary little grill into a cohesive part of your game day party. Don't have guests over for some blasé experience. You want that outdoor kitchen to be dialed in. GRUDEN style.
We've done quite a bit of tailgating, so as you can imagine, we like to break out the smokers and the grills and so forth. I was too busy game planning to actually eat anything that they were grilling, but it smelled delicious in the locker room. Well, as the coach here in Athens, Georgia.
All right, there's no doubt. If you got people coming over to your house, bottom line's this. You want them to have a good time, and you don't want them tripping all over the furniture. You're able to get to your Frito pie, but also get over to the fried chicken. The head coach of the South Carolina Gamecocks, that's essential. You gotta have some fried chicken. There's some irony there.
It's very important to make sure that those young men don't get too hot or too cold. You got to make sure that they can perform at the highest levels. That's why temperature regulation is very important for a football team. I'll tell you, as the former head coach at the University of Texas.
Okay, yeah. I hope these audio-visual tips help you watch the game on your television, there on your back porch or wherever, and maybe next time get off the couch and actually drag your bones down to the game, maybe the stadium. Cheer for the fans in person. Quit being so lazy. Kids back in the day used to actually go to the games, see.